Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. FC Copenhagen has signed Thapelo Maseko in a statement that says FC Copenhagen strengthens the offense with South African national team player Thapelo Maseko. FC Copenhagen are delighted to announce the signing of South Africa international Thapelo Maseko, representing our new South African lion, Thapelo Maseko. Thapelo Maseko has signed and sealed in partnership with our official trans partner. Our new lion is bringing speed and smiles to Copenhagen. That's the statement from FC Copenhagen as they signed Thapelo Maseko. And Mamelodi Sundowns also released a statement of their own. Thank you, Thapelo. A chapter in yellow comes to a close. We appreciate everything you brought to the club and wish you all the best in your next chapter. Thank you, Thapelo. That's the statement from Mamelodi Sundowns. The 22-year-old winger will wear jersey number 12 at FC Copenhagen after putting pen to paper on a 4-year deal with the Danish giants. Maseko joined Mamelodi Sundowns in 2023 from the now defunct SuperSport United after 2 successful seasons with SuperSport United. And when he joined Mamelodi Sundowns, he played a fundamental role in the first team, winning the inaugural African Football League in 2023, where he was the best player and the top goal scorer of the competition under coach Rulani Mokoena. And it seemed like he's going to become a very important member of the Mamelodi Sundowns going forward. And on the international stage, during that time, he played in 2022 COSAFA Cup, and also in January 2024, he was part of the 2023 African Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast, where he played a starring role, where Bafana Bafana won a bronze medal. However, last season under coach Miguel Cardoso, things didn't start well for Thapelo Maseko, and he was frozen out of the squad. He was even playing some matches in the DStv Diski Challenge, Mamelodi Sundowns reserve side. And in January, they loaned him to Cypriot First League side AEL Limassol for the rest of the season, where he became an important member of the team, playing 15 games, scoring 2 goals and an assist, and producing performances that Hugo Broos decided to call him for the Bafana Bafana squad for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. And he returned to the Bafana Bafana squad in the World Cup, and he played a starring role, scoring in a 1-0 victory over South Korea in the 3rd group stage match, winning the man of the match and securing the country's first ever qualification for the World Cup knockout stages. Eventually got knocked out in the last 32 by the co-host Canada. And when he returned back to South Africa, we heard that he's still not in Miguel Cardoso's plans, and he was left out of the pre-season tour that Mamelodi Sundowns took to Austria, and they allowed him to find a team. And there were teams that inquired of his services, but no agreement was reached until FC Copenhagen made an offer of 1.5 million euros, about 28 million rands. And Mamelodi Sundowns accepted the offer, and now he is signed with FC Copenhagen. And FC Copenhagen's decision to buy Thapelo Maseko outright instead of just signing him on loan gives him an opportunity to continue his career in Europe and compete at a club with ambitions on the continental stage. This means he will follow in the footsteps of South African football legend Sibusiso Zuma, who made 188 appearances, scoring 53 goals for Copenhagen, where he is a club legend. He even has a statue outside the stadium. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Thapelo Maseko to join FC Copenhagen from Mamelodi Sundowns? Is it a good move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. We can't wait to see him play in European nights. We wish you all the best in Europe, Thapelo. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.